We're in front of Cornish Beach here in Abu Dhabi. If you want fresh air, nandiyan yung mga tall buildings, no, sa Abu Dhabi na skyline. You have mga coffee shop here. Dalawang coffee shop, Tim Hortons. Then yan, papahangin lang, no, mga tao here. Fresh air. Ito yung when the sea meets yung urban desert. Hindi naman desert kasi daming structures na, but you go out of the built-in structures, napalibutan ng disyerto tong Abu Dhabi. Cornish Beach, so wala tang bawal ng maligo, no? Gusto mag-relax pa lang. Coffee shop. So overnight kami dito, then tomorrow we'll be going to Dubai na. So, we'll be having a private car, no, tomorrow, para marami kami ma-cover. We'll be staying 2 nights, no, sa Dubai.